Mirewo mani atutu mareho amidi asihene sen wana meni won sha brabo aseno eja dodo no ayeyi ejami o mi bobra mi huna no mi chinchin kwa na mabesi manaimu ena mi hia wano asem na bechichi mi rera ma mi tumi twen obrepa wahihya ma mi no ira yesui ma mi nte woni Eja mini suo sesama funoso. Eja ye mani jisembio. Eja rehu achichire makoma. Mekra di arehu di ko womo. Bise mitiemu obi nyezo. Me friendswa minyamu ayebia. Papa mani daso nyina ni wo. Kasa chire mekra mubu.
Oh la. Asamwaba. Trouble colors ame ho fechen no. Obetia na se dragati or se asamu aba. Ebusia oman koso oman yedie edamakoma so yemu bi enye yekra hwesofo enempe bone a nke yeka kromfo a yeka tutubotomfo a nke yeka ho nanso yankoye sanema ni bi eno ti yafato ye ho so se yebeka ye mpanifo yakandifo na omo aye ne se fata amayen Bosumi ye wo mu die etwayo videos be ye mo efise mehwehwe mu amaye ekire se oman bia betumpon a na ye kwia enti Ghana si betumi adi yie a agese ye kwia omampani John Dramani Mahama eko na fuom kotintos ye nua ba bi ye video fa no ho ene me de besomo na yesua bibi wom Commander Sugar Factory ewe hen bi video bi be kirewo na ya bisa ya ho se osomo ahodo ewo Ghana ha no omodi abro anase omo kire ye nokore kwan efise nkire bi wo ho a misusu se enkrofo wei ena esese nkomo kire nanso da bi ye education system no eko kire ye B for apple wi a na ye de abetena Bible ho enti adwene no entumi ndwene enko nanim Commander Sugar Factory no obi bi onifie ye behwe mfaso a ewo so monkai se nana kwame bediako ne information ba bonten se ontua tax wadi hu nkomo na ne nkomodi enum no ye be repeat na yetie asem bi ni ahye no so Yensha omampani John Dramani Mahama na fuom video emresisi ya.
This man, John Dramani Mahama, is what Ghana needs. A visionary leader. We and the president of Ghana yeshwe so obeba bedi anim. Eto de bia me bisa me ho se Mahama into ye nipa na ase oye hwan. Asa oye soro bofu bi. He seems to know everything, every sector. We and the president ha onyankopon de na che wo man Ghana. She nintos afuom no wakono e no wo kire entos no de ye papa ene de enye papa. A Greek teacher bi kura de wo kan wonim. Sector bia wo de John Dramani Mahama begina bia no wonim de e fa sa sector no. Wo de muntie. Mese Fanuko Jina Hospital, na Fanuko Jina operation machine. Mahama bachelor the functions of that machine. Abra 1 year doctor. What a visionary leader. Go and vote number 8 for John Dramani Mahama. Mese Rollins can you say Mahama is a president for the future. And Kenya Ghana mpunka Africa nyina. O mind bia di kuyayo ene chechere ne man. Abra Mahama edo efu e kire de ye de enye no ba mi anam ho na digitalization fa no kokko gina ayi body form na bisa ne se body ya ban kro onka de ba ko e de ye ahwe wontimi nkire se de kire doko no Mahama ye president nyame de na cheyen mo ma ye ntu na jaja mu na da che ya mfa ye nsangu yeti but inshallah 2024 Mahama be wine.
Yes 2024 wa wene na America ka se Kwayo bosomi mu ne yewe enti so mampani John Dramani Mahama eye kwani na watumi adontos ema na ba wabetena konwa sui mepa chaw mfidi a yede be yafuo no ewo hen enampo so anasa abedru ena mo atwe tapoli akata so mfidi ahodo a etwagu o screen sui yebedi hu nkomo ansana yakohwe sugar factory obi abi oni fie ede na si Ghana ban kwan se obekra mfidi ahodo a etwagu o ye screen sui na yenso ye dia ye ekua na yedua jene entos bode banche efise yese ye de banche eye ensa ye de banche eye starch niema hodo bebre oman no kamia ese adwene yankasa ye de dwene daache no aboyen enti de bia ye ko besiabo na oman no womo aye ko omo ho besiabo no womo mpo eye akua asase ene da ho teterete yedua bro yedua ntos yedua emo na ade a efe womu ne se yetwa mo no ewura ne mpo omudi ye bibi enti schools ahodo egu Ghana ha aye wa krachefo suade wo man yi mu etumi safu aluple eko suade ewo amanone no bibi sei enti omu hu ana yesikafo ewo Ghana ha de bia ni omunimu ane se yenkoto private cars ane boarding ni emfa meje ye guess ene esikafo na yama ye mu bi enya mpempo ni yatwe na koba se ye beware efise omudi sika ese mmofra no esikafo egu Ghana ha yesi obi akosi dan asesa private cars agumu a obi nkotu esika nkohwe no so mu won fidie bi sei wo Ghana ha yedi yekua nkenye obi beka se aban no emma kwan yes enti na meka se oman no ye ni adwen a yede dwene daache na kwame bediako udin empam firi ye mu bia numu da efisa wo na ukura daache adwen enfidi egu hayi se obi ka se wokokra aba oman yi mu abaye afu a duty edaso ontumi ntomienu asase ne kura no onya efise ye twen abrofo mo abegye nsase ne de ye japade wo man yi mu na yen yesi ho adan na oman ni ntumi ndwene nko na nim eno ne me haw eno ne masem bisa sami dwene oman no ho ana meti eye me ya broni a ye kono ho besia bo eye afuo ye won sase obasa chiran from pressure nsase eda ho uko voter region asase da ho kakraka uko western region asase da ho uko eastern region asase da ho Buno half region asase da ho enti aban o twedien ye nimu aye gold diamond cocoa ne kura no enye Ghana ejapade o abakwasem kakra masua no cocoa na eni Ghana ha owura tete kwahye na kofa baaye nam se Ghana kura sase papa enti na agina adan na oman ne mpanifo ntumi ndwene da ache mayen na mo broka egu ho mo follow me no efiapokwa vim lady SSC ka Ghana ni bia betua na nyasam ketwa den na ekoso o mayi mu ayentumi ndwene ya tisika akosi Commander Sugar Factory ewo hen ansa na ebekwa akohwe na kwame bediako video no yenhwe Sugar Factory bi obi abie na yembisa ye ho se enti nsore a ebu Ghana ha nkremosom ahodoro wo Ghana ha se munya nkyerɛkyerɛ bi maye ne anka yentumi nya bibi sei ade wo ye kra ban no besa kra bi afiri oman foforo so abegu oman yi mu enti wo obebo ho moden adua bi no ebe ye woka yenhwe ade
Abusia, Mumia Kwanya Mami, Faso, Ebe make sugar out of sugar cane. No, first of all, no, what the kind of sugar cane, no, aye, Abu na ya wohono. Sugar cane factory, you see, or Ghana, Commander Sugar Cane Factory. That's why my India for because the young Ghana for near Yapajuro. Oko can say Ghana for near before a Yapajura, will be a badly penny diatem. On very simple process here, China by. Afaso or extract sugar out of sugar cane. A simple process you. Emi who is a Africa for no. The India ya come was as so and say, Yem Pessy be usually happening. And no nama viase, a mine bia a tumpong, na young Africa for ya viase. Abusiamonhe process na mamano e famuno or demonstrate actually kwanya obefaswa obe extract a sichiri out of sugar cane or crashing and juice no. And our dear Sijaso, why hit ya? I'm a juice no at turn brown. And it's our brown we see no and a bear brown sugar and sissy no or tessa. We are now a sans was sonny so. No, the Kugua demo and from our first na dry. Adraya we know now what you trim into pieces. Na bear brown sugar. Abusia simple procedure. We see na young Africa for ya come. Even when you say so lazy you as you so. So you see ya been and fire and sunny and holding. Anya de amfa mayen na ya adwen ye yense eye morofo enkrofo bi e na ombebo ayen a agoro e wo yani super Africa fo ye bekam e twasa Africa fo ye kanya ya ho na asasi so ya kam simple procedure ya si Commander Sugar Factory amaya end up at the company no ahye India fo nsa se India fo e na omo en handle sa company no se de be ya ombetumi a produce sugar cane mi hwa no yenso so ye betumi ayo ni ya ja momo.
Enti we mu nyina na meto na me hwa na me ra ho se ye nya ntete bia mfiri ye mofra se efasa nyama we ho we myself Ghana ha engo zomingo ajongo ayenim ye kura no agu ne ye betu ye zomi ajongo ebi wa hibio wo ya ye ni fisa adwen na bodam adan ene yedi ho abro sei adan ne yedi ho abro wo mayimu yentumi ndwene daachi osumo ahodo abu Ghana ha no edi abro anase eboa yen asori abu Ghana ha mebinum kura esi prison nanso mente se asori bi akoto tratesi adwi asase yafuo bi sei a mo be chiche nuane ne kura ma o ma asori ma ebi nsiye ebi ni ho nanso asori be si school waje collection na wie no na wasan e de akobie school na wasan de je school fees efri asori ma ho yeti wo man we mu adwene no ada abusuan ya ko yanim odwene wo man no ho a ohu be ye hia to the sense wo be fa ho anya yare adan ne ntumi nwene nko yanim eno ne masem bisa ansa na mepeja mi mu no yenkotie Dr. Osajefo Nana Kwame bediako ne nkomo kakra owo ema Ghana fo fana futuo emfana bufuo midin ede Mosbee from 0547 511 900.
What is the government doing with the tax money? Why are there so many disabled and crazy people walking in the street? Why can't some of the tax money help clean out this country? Why is it not going towards our development, our roads? Why is it not going towards our investment to develop our country, to protect our nation? These taxes, I don't know where they're going. I don't know if you saw my face when they put it in the paper that I don't pay taxes after taking all these monies from me, but they still come against me. The question is, if the person that leads the taxes, the commissioner, has become Zacchaeus, then what do you think is happening in this country? We definitely need a revamp strategy to change our taxation. I would like the people who are paying for some things like SNIT, for them to do either a foul tax back. You can get your money by the end of the year and invest that money in insurance for your family, for your medical health. So when you go in the hospital, or when there are problems with you, your family, or something happened to your mother, it's not like you're going to wait for somebody to come and save you, whilst the money that you have is sitting with the government and you have to wait for 40, 50 years. I would like to take some taxes off. Why should we pay for taxes for sunny parts and all of this? Why can't we help our women? Why is it so expensive for everything? And why are the people also going out there and bringing everything from outside to come and sell it here? We're starting industrialization. We should stop. We should stop going out there and buying things and stop playing with these taxes and everything. At this very point, I think 70% are jobless. So the government is not even making as much from taxes as he's supposed to. So he's finding different ways to quickly extract the money from the 20% workers. We can't overtax ourselves and then give us a minimum salary. It won't work, and we can't charge water bills at 30 something per liter or every 10 liters, and then we only get 1,500 or 2,000. We can't have petrol that is 1,200 to fill a tank, and that is the same salary for someone in a whole month when they have to look after their wife and 4 children. Come on, this is not fair. That person will never survive. We all know this. This is where corruption is coming from, because we have taken the value from our people. I am coming because I want to bring you that value back. I want to give you your hope again. I want you to get at least an average salary. I want us to have a middle income country, a middle class lifestyle, so everybody can have somewhere to live. We can have some trains even in the middle of the road. We can open our roads. We can do a lot of things. We can become rich as a country, and we can be wealthy. Thank you.
Research. No, now they 2 question. That's the kind of journalism we are looking for.